ufio. Sina ufie. When I also spend 100 cedis a day, I continue spending 100 cedis a day. Many will need calculation yet. Money manners one. Money manners. Money to young.
A few moments later.
Me wa ha enye boni na me basa me be pamwache ho.
It's the first time on me who say Afua Nash abeye live na already Ghana for atemo pe. And we say there be enche. A few moments later, beba our patch. There was a finally. A few moments later, and Abba, Afua Nash, Ghana for you and the fans, any TikTokers, any bloggers, no Dima terminal. Our poor Munina Achel. Be want to the moon watch the wide amame. Ever comment section. How you Penyah block media. Mess was any demo. Oh, but like if video, no doubt my boss subscribe button, snap back, click notification, corner latest updates. About the wide in the mame. Ever comment section. Mess also baswa. No one share video for so any be ashe. 80 out of nowhere, Kevin Shemo, and I was saying, Afua Nash interview. Now, interview Afua Nash, Afua Nash, oh, I don't know why expensive girl. Each and every day, Biano, or spending not less than 5,000 cedis. It is kind of 50 million. There be a Odi Manessa, Odi Manessa. So, auto credit 5 million offer Uber. Odi 50 million, there be a expensive girl. Emma, number of that question say, Afua Nash, Nabutra, Afua Nabutra. Ubet fagas out again for after that's a bossing be anu di 1.5 billion. If you send a book account man be nobody for after. Now what oh if I got so much amunya. Yeah, me shall tell you, me repeat it. And I was like, if you wuni. Afua Nash, who knew? Because we call your call page moi. There be our Taliban ku na dey video. So it is over cassette. Oh repeat that Talia Afua what's what can there? Afua nya botranswer. Because he said that I want to study about Kuna that be a woody did and one of that be as a war as if was won't repeat your tare. What all I didn't know. What I say? What I didn't know. I must not kind of TikTokers and then the class here. Emu and I Afua able food over your life, the life in fact. Okay, can I just Ghana for Ankasa?
Ufio. Sina ufie. When I also spend 100 cedis a day, I continue spending 100 cedis a day. Many will need calculation yet. Me no me anu ye ni calculation income na me nya no ekwa ya nfa so me nya me sika no me no me anu ye ni chempe enti no mumfa mo nkwase asem kura mfiri me so some of you people mumfa mo nkwase asem na mummu asem kura mfiri me so nkope ba bi ntina what me make sure no and I say yam print paper no yam print scanner me spending yam printing fansha me na me na ma ensure on me. Ensure on me for what reason? Was siasama kwa what spend 5,000 a day ye nante form. What spend 5,000 a day sebi yensha brazier young book on roll because of so spend 5,000 a day. And now spend 5,000 a day yendi gari ye chiri gari. Me da mo pa mo trend in kodudu. Mon fam trend enko baby. Mon fam trend in enko baby. Enya me feature. Me decided sen ka me reply obia even just say abetia krompo me reply no. But I think some more yen too much. Aden. Me jina wanu sika ben na sumidi. Ana sika ben na esosene me. Sika ben na esosene me nipadua na me. Obi a me na fada mfo da bia. Obi a waba mabrabom da bia obi o me na sign pen bia no. Enim say me sometimes I spent more than that. E dey nkwasi asem ni anim gwasi tan so ben no. Money manners one. Money manners. Money titi yo. Kwasi asema kwa say na there pressure no ma ka pressure ma meaning baby out me obi a me na fada mfo da bia obi a waba mabrabom da bia obi o me na sign pen bia no enim say me sometimes I spent more than that e dey kwasi asem ni anim gwase tan so ben no money manners one money manners money titi yo kwasi asema kwa say na there pressure no ma ka pressure ma meaning baby out do I even follow you Me di wachi. Oh, kwa me di wachi. And I was saying when I me didi. Me top pressure ma woo na me top pressure. Then I be your film. Huh? Me no competition. Me no me any competition be ayeko. Ah me top pressure ma. Do I even know you? Do I know you? And what see some me top pressure ma youth. Youth ben na me jira on me top pressure mom. Adam na me ti men so sorry me na me so sorry me nya adwuma. Me na me so sorry a me nya adwuma. And na wakwa mo bi pressure to no abegina ha say. Me ba up is how many ayini years ni me munti man na kasampo da because me ne mani bebre o I don't want to talk about it. I guess me silence. And I thank God say baby am me to me niam wo bia no obi oni me bia nim say me even though say I don't know how to put on some things component me to ade aye papa me to ade aye papa na krama bi wo ho anu aba be fa video na because of so no so person trending thing no aba fa video no kan kwase asem kire wo no come wasam all in the name say 5,000 Ghana cedis. How much is 5,000 Ghana cedis? Me jina ha say no me so sene 5,000 I say 5,000 so sene me. How much is it? En kwa siafo bia me ba me nchen na say me from me mama kompa. Do you know how much I sent to her? When you ma here me de mama and
na live no be na chi no e na be kan na chiri e free ho e hu za TikTok abi abaya nyom ama Afua Nash. I said all be lie.
I spend 5,000 Ghana cedis a day.
All be lie.
Hey, 5,000 Ghana cedis a day.
It be set up.
5,000 Ghana cedis all be lie. She talk I'm loud, but we know be right. 5,000 Ghana cedis all be lie. She dey flex online, but her mom would right. Your balance be what ready, yo. Afua Nash say she dey chop steak and wine, but she dey beg throttle driver change no fine. She say she dey shop Gucci online, but the size big and I'm all .99. 5,000 Ghana cedis all be lie. You dey talk big, but your pocket shy. 5,000 Ghana cedis all be lie. Social media sweet, but it no be like. 5,000 Ghana cedis all be lie. 5,000 Ghana cedis all be lie.
My sister, even Dangote go shop. DJ Pakorish matey.
Emma TikTok respond bu fu ye. Omo ke kan wadwe ntira na nkasa.
And I thank God say baby am me to me niam wo bia no obi oni me bia nim say me even though say I don't know how to put on some things component me to ade aye papa me to ade aye papa na krama bi wo ho anu aba be fa video na because of so no so person trending thing no aba fa video no kan kwase asem kire wo no come wasam all in the name say 5,000 Ghana cedis. How much is 5,000 Ghana cedis? Me jina ha say no me so sene 5,000 I say 5,000 so sene me. How much is it? En kwa siafo bia me ba me nchen na say me from me mama kompa. Do you know how much I sent to her?
Afua Nash, come here. You are making the work difficult for us. Why are you crying? Why are you cursing out? Why are you insulting people? No, at this point, you are doing too much. At this point, you are making it difficult for us to speak for you. Those of us that are trying to talk for you, you are making it difficult. You don't even have to throw tantrums in the first place. That is wrong. This thing you mentioned about the 5,000 cedis, whether it is true or not, it will bring up a conversation on the media space, on this social media. This is where you started. You should be ready for it. Coming out, explaining yourself. This is where you should take advantage of the trend they are giving you to promote work. You use it to your own advantage. If you want to follow everything people say on this media, then you are not ready for it. Are you trying to say you don't know what you are getting yourself into? I'm not going to start with you. Even the president is being talked about. Everybody. Every single body can be talked about. Nobody is above critics. Even the president, like I mentioned, is not above critics. So far as we have freedom of speech, and then you are prone to be in the public face, you have to be ready for it. This is how you started. When you started the insane thing, people were talking about it. Oh, it's disgusting. Look at this girl, she's classless. But look at where it brought you. So it means that You know, you should be ready. If you want to be in the public face, you want to do this social media thing like you mean it, you have to know the pros and cons. You have to be ready for it. You have to get yourself to be emotionally stable and emotionally ready for all of us. You know, coming live like that, insulting people, throwing tantrums, it doesn't speak well of you. I know that emotions will be hurt because having people misunderstanding you, judging you based on your own truth can be very painful. Mentioning that you spend 5,000 cedis a day. Hey, baby, I'm kind of saying, why would you can also spending 5,000 cedis a day? But then, because you are in the social media space, yeah, it will spike up conversations. You have to, people will question it. People will talk about it. That is what social media is about. So the trend they are giving you now, it is up to you to use it to your advantage. You can come live, try to find a better way or even a jovial way to make fuss about it, talk about it. But you being emotional, crying, cursing out, like your aura point has dropped drastically. And it's not nice. If you want to do this social media thing, then it means you know what you are getting yourself into. Listen, people will talk regardless. Whether you do good or you do bad, or they will talk. You want to do this social media thing, you have to be ready for it. Yeah, you have to be ready for it. What you are doing there, it doesn't speak well of you. The way you are throwing your words around, it sounds very uncouth. I was speaking for you because who cares if you spend 5,000 cedis a day? That was you. It's nobody's business. They should cry. If they like, they should go and empty the sea. But girl, the way you are taking the whole thing, you're making it difficult for us who are trying to speak some for you. Just cease the talk and the rant. Stop crashing out. Stop feeding them whatever. Stop giving them the approval that whatever they are saying or doing to you is getting to you. By this time, you're making them feel like, well, at the end of the day, oh, we are winning over it. Girl, you don't do that. No. Cease the talking. Don't talk again. Everybody is being talked about. Even this woman that we all respect and love so much. I do not know ground. I'm not saying that a standard to whatever, but I'm saying that even the people who have been in the game before you, Jackie Apia, everybody has been dragged one way or the other. So if you want to be on this social media space, you have to have another ready heart to heart all what this pressure, this misunderstanding, twisting your words. That is what makes social media social media. So you have to have another heart for it, okay? Coming out here, crashing out, insulting people, it doesn't speak well of you, might even go against you. So girl, don't let them get you like that, please.
Afua Nash you say why? A fitted da o can say would be 5,000 a day. Ghana for a question wo ho no. If it wo ye post bia would be Ghana for atem. Hwe, na me kan sam kira wo. Mo na mo ye e ma Ghana for lose the appetite of supporting their own. Just say you support you every scratch, only followers, you support you, not a winner baby, a gina. Now, the wood dear Ghanaians attempt say you're poor. Ya mobra. Check, I mean, cast some time I was shas here. If it a scratch and keteno, yes, your video, you like it, near repost it, near share video number, let's see. So there are algorithm who say video no a amount for pay. Now I keep on air pushy. Yes, I'm now when your followers in we are now after winning your brand the moon kakaka because of my followers now yeah dim watching tia must say I am more bra what post way say who can some of us how many of us can afford an aeroplane I don't cry airplane and yet aeroplane what spell yes English you can't sign yet and so you manage use about we cannot afford an aeroplane. Aeroplane way a internal journey no akwa na internal and external. We play we as a Kumasi to Accra and external. And we how much? I know being to me afford it. Wouldn't Ghanaians or Muweska or Mom Braggy? Kobisa celebrities in Ibi. Oh dear, Kobisa Moisha Budon. Say, no what to say. Nebisa Edja for real. Send what to say, or moment yes, capra. What I say? Ya Ghanaians, ya din here. The next time I will post a video, Ube di Ghanaians attempt. Say, what better say? Hey, Ghanaians don't believe, say, we would me spend 5,000 a year saying. Nah, the poor doesn't understand. Poor. You are calling we the Ghanaians poor. Poor for supporting you from scratch. Ama wabe obino What be without a console, every poor and then, yes, well, last one, no. Now, only more men, Jessica, or more collaborate, I sure more, while Braquan, Munia, Quacko, and Notum. Now it is you versus the nation. Ya know, Nanya. Yaga.
So I be a video I do matter because omuna man so or buy no be omo so so crack follow na ma obey dipa obey pay the now o do matter so say we am kwase afom yan kana ma e fa ke kana nchire o man kasa o di umu dwuma di o matter there was a say na heat any attack na AC ba no Afua Nash adagye no one say dey gas man kan wan kan e kra e so go pa acho e Afua Nash aba e de chelpa magana for.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching me from. Me wa ha enye boni na me basa me be pamwacho. Concerning edidi atem na me be didi ye wo life no. Mumu bebre afa ni different way. I think say at sports nka wo me shoes manka you also do the same thing. Me nka se mayade ma anya de intino obi bia right now make say some of you people am for my videos no but I think say omuni mo ho intino e reach out to them ankasa I'm so sorry ma ne me ye no nenka ngo say me yesa ma anya de intino me srem mo fa nche me say me be kasa rude me nyesa de no I don't do that me nyesa ne ma no kana I don't know dia Kenya me yes at sport obi apata me kura na me mbua madwen ho pa ma hu se ne me yen manya de ti me hwemo epoye atoye etifini anafo obi biara manka sa yie ma hanu bia ma gunanim tie bia no nipa ne mfa enche me just hwehwe baby wo wakoma mu na efa che me. That's all I can say now because me dwen ho no manya de me na me si me di say na se musi me ni a adensi na wo se me ba na me bobefu manya de ma di nkwala asempa nti me kyerɛ mo mfa nkyɛ me fast forward na me ka say unua nya unua no
Kyerɛ wadwen ma me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media.